Hello students, let us work out a problem on continuity. If the function f of x given by fx is equal to 3ax plus b, x is greater than 1, 11, x is equal to 1, 5ax minus 2b when x is less than 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1. Find the values of a and b. This problem has been asked in CBSE examination. As the given function is given to be a continuous function at the point x is equal to 1, therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function at x is equal to 1. Now let us work out the left hand limit of the function at x is equal to 1. This can be written as limit extending to 1 minus of fx, and this is equal to limit extending to 1 minus and the value of the function when x is smaller than 1, x is less than 1, and this is this 5ax minus 2b. Therefore here 5ax minus 2b. Now the value of this limit is putting x is equal to 1, 5a minus 2b. Hence the left hand limit at x is equal to 1 is nothing but 5a minus 2b. Similarly, right hand limit of the function fx at x is equal to 1 is given by limit extending to 1 plus of fx, and this is equal to limit extending to 1 plus. Now the value of the function when x is greater than 1, and this is this 3ax plus b, 3ax plus b, and the value of the limit on putting x is equal to 1, we have 3a plus b. Therefore, right hand limit is 3a plus b. Also, the value of the function at x is equal to 1 is given to be 11, and therefore f of 1 is equal to 11. Now applying this condition, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function, we have 5a minus 2b is equal to 3a plus b is equal to 11. This is our left hand limit, this is our right hand limit, and this is the value of the function. Now taking the first two terms, we have an equation, and solving this equation we have here 3a coming to left hand side, 5a minus 3a, that is 2a, and 2b going on right hand side, 2b plus b, that is 3b. Therefore 2a plus 3b. This implies b is equal to 2 by 3a. Now putting this value in the equation containing the last two terms, we have here 3a plus, in place of b, 2 by 3a is equal to, this is 11. This implies, adding this, we have 11 by 3, a is equal to 11, and this implies a is equal to 3. Now putting a is equal to 3 here, we have b is equal to 2. Hence for the values of a and b as 3 and 2, that means a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, the function will be continuous at x is equal to 1. Hence the problem. ओके, थैंक यू. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए